Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on addressing pin issues with the Asus GU603Z. Today, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and resolve these problems effectively. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by powering off your Asus GU603Z and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Once is powered down, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. As you remove the back panel, use the plastic spudger to gently pry it open. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Once the back panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Look for the area around the pin connections. Dust and debris can often cause connectivity issues. Using a soft brush or compressed air, clean the area thoroughly. If you notice any corrosion or residue, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to a cotton swab and gently clean the affected areas. Now, let's check the pin connections themselves. Inspect them for any signs of damage or misalignment. If you find any bent pins, you can carefully realign them using the spudger. Be very gentle during this process to avoid breaking any pins. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the issue without any pressure to proceed with repairs. After ensuring the pins are in good condition, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Press the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws to avoid any gaps. Once reassembled, power on your Asus GU603Z and check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it may be a sign of a deeper issue that requires professional attention. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, if you prefer not to travel or make calls, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed to make your repair experience as convenient as possible. In summary, addressing pin issues on your Asus GU603Z involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and inspection of the internal components. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle this problem effectively. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our professional team. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.